guys, welcome to another Cooking with Mimi. Today I have my favorite guest,
Aww.
Maya Papaya.
I'm probably your only guest ever, right?
Today we're going to make pumpkin buns. In Chinese we call it Mantou. That's Hakka. In another Chinese language it's called Mantou. Maya, do you know how to use a scale?
I would hope so.
100 grams of pumpkin flesh. Do you want to cut a piece?
No, I'm gonna switch.
It was 98 grams.
I'm gonna switch.
And then you've got to steam this.
This much?
Yes. And then up. Yes, then we wait. Half a teaspoon of instant yeast.
Oh.
What happened? Did you spill yeast?
Yes.
Good. I'm having fun. 2 teaspoons of plain water.
Doesn't it have to be like warm water?
Mm-mm.
Huh. I thought I knew something about cooking,
well,
but it was wrong.
You're kind of right.
One.
So maybe the second teaspoon can be warmer. It doesn't matter that much if it's like instant yeast, but it probably affects the speed it gets activated.
Like, how well does it need to be mixed?
Yeah.
Because there's still some lumps in it.
Kind of want the lumps to be gone. Yeah. But it's fine. It's fine.
No, it's not fine.
And then you let it sit so it can activate and there will be some bubbles.
The lumps, man.
They lump up together because it's like...
They're friends. Next step.
Next step. You need 165 grams of plain flour. And this is actually low gluten plain flour.
I went over 5 grams.
We need 25 grams of sugar. Now we have to wait till that is done. Hello, we changed camera in case that is important. The pumpkins have been steamed. Can you see?
Oh, this is super soft.
Is it hot?
I don't know, I'm using a fork.
Because it says you have to cool the pumpkin. Do you think it's cool? And then you add in the yeast.
We need an update. Okay, so Michelle made a second portion of yeast because she discovered the water had to be warm after all.
This is yours, this is mine.
We can do half and half.
Let's do yours.
Sure? All at once?
Mm-hmm. Ah! Mix well. You need to add oil, 2.5 teaspoons.
2.
Mix into dough and knead the dough for about 7 minutes. The
Alright.
dough should be soft but not sticky. Show the people! It should rest for 7 to 8 minutes.
Can we try a little bit?
What? Taste it?
Yeah? Or is that really weird?
I don't know, I've never done it. You
Okay,
can
then
if
we
you
should.
want. Okay, you eat first.
It's just sweet.
It kind of tastes like very soft candy. Oh, we have to roll out this dough. You need to roll it out into a rectangular shape. You know what you're doing. And then you can turn it like this and then roll. And then we cut it into 8 equal sides. Okie dokie, good job. She's putting 250 ml in the pot. Another 250.
Makes 500.
Wow. And then prepare 1 liter of normal temperature water. And when it's boiled, we're gonna turn off the heat, add the 1 liter of water to the pot, and then put this steamer thing on it, but not cook it. It's just like the hot water will help it proof, kind of puff up.
I'm going to boil the pumpkin bread. What's it called?
Bun. Very important step. So you need to do this because otherwise you will ruin the bun.
Oh, the lid.
The lid, because the condensed water, if it drops on the bun, then totally ruined. Just gonna click, bloop. Takes a couple of minutes, and then wait for 15 minutes, and then we can finally eat.
Oh my god.
Yes, it's all about the waiting game. You wanna practice your patience? Make these buns. Hello, we're back, finally. Are you gonna sit there?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Do you want to open it? 3.
3.
Wow! them yesterday.
It's funny.
Wow.
Oh, and they
Maya, you
smell
did
good.
it.
Oh, they're falling. They're
okay.
falling.
Okay, let's try one. Oh, they're so soft.
Yeah, they're like, oh, do you know those toys that kids are obsessed with these days? Squishies?
No,
It's like that.
this one is edible.
That's what you should call this video, making edible squishies.
Edible squishies. Oh, they're turned out so much better than I made them yesterday. Thanks, Mom. So soft. Oh, you have to eat the skin like that?
I know, I just tried to peel it, but then only the skin.
That's a very
that's hot.
That's a very childhood thing to do.
I've been acting like a child the
Yeah.
past hour, so that.
Maya, my child. You should dip this in condensed milk. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Alright, success, Maya. Good job.
Yes, we did it.
We did it.
It's
Alright.
the yeast. I mixed the yeast real good.
Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace. Where can they find you, Maya?
Nowhere.
Okay, bye.